November 915 Mike Lima is offered for sale by Next GA Aircraft, specializing in the Columbia and TTX airframe since 2001. This 235-knot speed machine is pristine and has experienced outstanding maintenance. The 310-horsepower, twin-turbocharged TSIO 550 engine has just over 100 hours since top overhaul with new nickel cylinders. All the compressions were in the 70s at the last annual. This 400 is equipped with the WAAS Garmin G1000 integrated flight deck with synthetic vision technologies, ADS-B in and out, factory air conditioning, and a lot of other nice upgrades, including upgraded LED lighting, oil cooler upgrade, SCS custom carpets, and more. The 400 features fully redundant electrical systems, dual composite spars, push rod controls with carbon fiber control surfaces, and many redundant and fortified components, placing it in the utility category. This aircraft has always been hangared. It is in gorgeous condition, sporting the unique glacier blue and ice gold paint scheme with tan leather sport seats. This beautiful aircraft sits at about 1,585 hours total time and is located at our facility in Greensboro, North Carolina, where it is available for viewing. As always, 400 School is included because we want to ensure that you are safe and comfortable in your new Speedbird. Contact William Bird for more details to plan a visit or make an offer.